The bingo sheets.
Builders get merged. If you guys see like a dude with like a white jacket or white roses, that's me. Try not to get too mad at me. Too.
Wow, Breeze are sneaking into NSL defense. What the fuck, dude?
I'm not even sneaking in. I think I'm not. Oh, there's animal titans yet.
Figured. Let's run it, boys.
There's not many though. They're like spawning like one per regular, and then there's like a couple.
Yeah, well, unless they're HRs or high comms are here, Bree, you're probably the highest rank in game unless you're in Ledger or Blaze.
I'm in, yeah, I'm in.
I think Blaze is in. Not sure though.
Alright, cool.
Be like one or the other, you know what I mean?
No, this one is SRU. They give us 3 mission boards. One is branch wide, one is for
Oh.
SRU one that's happening. But we might have some for us. Who knows?
I am taking care of them right now.
Oh, I see. Okay. You guys were too focused on like all the way out there. Decided to run from the side. Alright, they're bait onto me. I need help. Yeah, we see guys. We see guys. Come on. Oh, I got eyes. Nice. Okay. Okay, I still see some dude going left. There we go. There we go. Nice. Right. Holy shit. Okay, that's so hot. Oh.
Building forward here.
They're coming in. Okay.
TK specs, sir.
Got one.
We got more waves coming on center and right side.
You too, bruh. Look like I'm not in there.
How's this treasury looking, bro?
Good.
Mine. Fuck, it was. Whatever. I don't need to fix that bad. I'm on the way, I'm on the way.
That's
I got
right.
swiped. I'm getting close to the gate. We gotta take them out. Start splitting them. Come on, guys. Block in a bit.
Oh, that's no fun.
What the hell? Airtime in the air? Both my.
Alright.
Yeah, that's how it be.
Yeah, bro left.
Or can I get more blades, please?
Heavy toll is a little treasury.
Purple is on. Set him.
Removal. I need removal on outer. Oh, I'm the building. Oh, I totally forgot about. Next wave, I'll pop my garrison.
Yo, there's an eagle. Okay, there we go. Holy shit.
I almost had my.
Well,
Dude, there's an eagle titan like standing at outer. Oh my god.
No, mute Blaze, by the way. Oh my god. Nice. It's dead.
Sorry, Roy.
Right.
It's an issue.
I used it and I'm on 6-minute cooldown.
Okay.
seeing 1600 on Nape, and this dude keeps on coming.
Yeah.
So real. You mean invalid authority.
The line talent,
Fuck
bro.
myself, you're fucking kidding me.
It's so nice, bro.
I'm not running out.
I love hitting fucking 1800 on Nape on a Moose Titan and a fucking drive-by. Oh, okay, dude. I see how it is. I see how it is. Man, fuck.
Okay, well, it's already gonna climb out, so.
Alright, good shit, good shit, good shit.
Hey, harvest their points, bro.
I'm gaining. I'm getting a lot of them.
Glad you didn't die, SNES.
The yellow flares. Herb, a talent.
I didn't get it.